Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So as you guys would have seen in the thumbnail, this is a massive Shein haul. It is literally all in one box. Well, when it arrived, it was in two separate boxes, so I've just shoved it all in one box. So it is absolutely massive. I've got a mixture of clothes in here, mostly clothes actually. What else have I got? Acrylics, nail files, I've got loads of stuff. Without further ado, let's get started because I've got a lot to get through. Quickly before I get into all of this, I might not be able to list absolutely everything in the description box below because I'm only allowed a certain amount of space, and with everything that I've already got in there, I will not be able to fit everything in here. If you see anything throughout this video and you are interested in, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will send you the links directly because there is just so much stuff in here. I just would not be able to fit it all in. I am putting acrylics in these drawers here so I can pop some makeup in. I already had two, maybe three of the large ones. I just needed some medium ones. 6 of the medium acrylics here. I will just show you what they look like. They're all exactly the same, so just little medium acrylics. What I will do is, obviously once I've filmed everything and showed you all the clips, I will show you the clip of what the drawers look like in here, just to show you what the layout looks like and what I'm putting in them. But yeah, I've got 6 of the acrylic drawers. I've also bought myself some new nail files. Now, I did buy the ones with the white handles, but for some reason they're not filing my nails properly. So I bought these ones, the half moon ones. They're like the 100 times 180 washable and disinfected professional nail files. So I've got some of them. So if they are any good, I will end up getting more of them. Now let's dive in to all of the clothes. I'm going to try and whiz through this as much as possible because I've got so much to show you. So the first things first we have is a half zip jumper. Obviously there will be try on clips as well, so you guys will see a little bit more better what they look like. So this is the half zip jumper, what it looks like. It's a light grey, nice cuffed at the wrist and at the bottom as well. No, this one don't have pockets in, but it's a lovely cozy, and it's actually fleece lined as well, so it keeps you nice and warm in the winter. I bought some more plain tops because I had a massive declutter through my whole wardrobe, so I literally got rid of quite a few clothing. So they're just plain tops. So I've got a white one here, again you guys will see in the try on clips, and I've got 2 black ones. When it comes to trying these on, I will just try on one of the black tops because they're both exactly the same. You don't really need to see them. But I just got 2 of them, so in total it was like a pack of 3 t-shirts. Next we Oh yeah, the knitted jumper. Now I've already got this one in white, and I wanted to get it in like different colours, so I've now got it in the black, and it's like a bat-winged knitted jumper it's supposed to be, but it feels nice and comfy. You can pop on t-shirts underneath as well if you want to, but you guys will see properly in the try on clips of what it actually looks like. It's really nice and comfy as well because I've got the white ones. Another jumper. I bought loads of jumpers in this haul because obviously it's coming up to winter. I'm going to need more jumpers. I do have a few jumpers in my wardrobe, but I needed some more. So I have this hoodie. It is like the dupe of the Ralph Lauren one. So it's lovely and long. It's got pockets in as well. I have already tried all these clothes on before I showed you guys, just to make sure they all fitted properly, that they are nice and cozy. Another hoodie. Sorry if this video is going to be really long guys, I'm trying to whiz through it as quickly as possible so it's not that long. So I bought another hoodie. This is the New York one. Again, it's got pockets, and at the bottom it actually says All Girls Team Sports Club. So it's another grey hoodie. Just showing its justice by me holding them, but you guys will see properly when I try them on. You'll get a better view of what it actually looks like. And I've got two perfumes in this order as well. I have the Britney Spears Fantasy Intimate Edition. These are actually full-size bottles. They are 100ml. I've already had the Fantasy and the blue one, I believe, which is called Midnight. So I've not even tried this one, but I've smelled them and they smell incredible. I love the bottles. They are absolutely lovely. So I've got that one. I didn't actually know until I looked on them that they would do Britney Spears perfumes. So I got that one. And then I've got this one, which is the Blissful Fantasy by Britney Spears. Again, it is 100ml. I like the colour of that bottle. It looks so nice. She has so many new perfumes out. She's got, I think she's got like Jungle, Fantasy, Hidden. Oh, there's just so many. I've only tried, like I said, the two of them, but now I've got these. I've tried these ones and it's been incredible. I do want to try all the others. And see where everything came so long, I've completely forgotten what I've got. Oh yeah, I wanted some nice matching outfits. So when it is raining outside and I want to be inside and I want to be cozy, but I don't want to keep wearing pyjamas all the time, so I've got some brown leggings and I've also got a hoodie to match. And again, I will show you properly in the try on clips of what they actually look like. I wanted actually nice comfy outfits for indoors.
Flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep.
With it, it probably don't look the same colours, but it's the half zip, so I will pair them two together. Like I said, I wanted some more comfy and cozy outfits, not just for work but at home as well, just in case I don't fancy being in my PJs all day.
It never rains in California, the sun is always shining bright, but if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers.
I've got these. I think these are joggers. I did have hoodies to match with these because they come in a set of 3, exactly the same as the joggers. But unfortunately the hoodies did not fit me well. I got them in my size, but every time I put them on and I raised my arms up, it just literally shot up. They were way too small, so I had to give them to my mother-in-law to sell. So I've got to get some more hoodies to match these. I swear I just opened these. It don't want to open. I've got to get some more hoodies to match these better, so I've got them. I will show you in the triangle clips, but comes in a pack of 3, so you've got these jogging bottoms. I'm so sorry about the lighting, by the way, guys. The sun keeps coming in and out. One minute it's nice, next minute it's miserable. Yeah, I just got these plain joggers. The string is really long. I'll have to tie them up somehow. Yeah, I've got a black pair, and then they come in grey as well. I've either got to find hoodies to match them or t-shirts, and then I've got a white pair as well. I might even, when I do the triangle clips, I might actually pair these with just like the plain t-shirts so you guys can see what they look like on.
I will get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side.
Hey there guys, we are nearly there. Just a few more things to show you. Now, oh yeah, pair of leggings. So I've got the grey version of the brown ones. So just another pair of leggings. Again, I had the idea of pairing these with a nice hoodie, just in case if I'm indoors and I just want to be comfy and cozy, or just be at work.
You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything.
I think this is more plain t-shirts, I think. These bags don't exactly open well. Yeah, some more plain t-shirts. So these are again a set of 3. So I have a white one, plain white one, and then I've got 2 sizes, or 2 kind of like beiges or browns, or whatever you want to call them. So I've got that one, and then like a darker colour. Yeah, you'll probably see them a lot more better in the try-on clips. I'm just whizzing through this as much as possible.
Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Got 2 more things to show you guys. Now these are, see what I mean, I buy so much stuff and I can't remember what they are. Cami tops. Now I've got loads of cami tops anyway, but I love these ones. They're so nice and flowy and they fit lovely. So I've just got another white one. This came in a pack of 2, and then it came with a black one as well. In the summer, I absolutely live and die in cami tops. I think you guys would have known in the videos of Tenerife that I was in cami tops quite a lot. I do absolutely live in them, especially when it's hot. Sometimes I just wear them indoors as well. I'm not just going out because they're nice and comfy. And last but no means least, I have bought a brand new coat. Now, I do have a coat. It's getting old. It's got some kind of like white paint or something on the sleeves. So I thought, you know what? It's time to buy a brand new coat. It's going to be really hard to show you, but I will pop it on properly to show you in the try on clips anyway. But it's got fur around the hood. This one actually does up right at the top, so it actually keeps the hood on. Now my one I've actually got, which is hanging downstairs, it doesn't have like buttons or anything to stop the hood from falling. In the rain or the wind, it just literally falls off, and it's so irritating and annoying because I have to keep holding it and getting my hands wet, then getting my sleeves wet, you know, it's just annoying. So I finally got a coat that the hood actually stays up. I got it in a bigger size because obviously I need jumpers fitting underneath this as well. It's nice and comfy. It's got cuff sleeves. I'm not sure if this is lined inside. No, it's just normal linen coat inside. I thought it had fur inside, but it don't. Yeah, I will show you better on the try on clip. That has been my Shein haul. It's absolutely massive. I've got quite a few things in there. I'm so glad I got myself a new coat. I've been dying to get a new coat for a while now. Finally wear it. I wore obviously my old coat to work the other day when it started raining, and I thought, oh, I really want to wear my new one, but I wanted to show you guys first before I start wearing it. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If there is absolutely anything throughout this video, let me know in the comments, because I will not be able to list absolutely everything because there's just so many. So just let me know. There will probably be more Shein hauls coming in the future. I know I want to do another one soon for all the autumn bits, because autumn is creeping up now. Autumn starts September time, so yeah, August, September and October is autumn, and then you've obviously got December as Christmas. So yeah, we've got all the autumn hauls coming up and I cannot wait. And then after that is all the Christmas hauls, which I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys of how we decorate our room, how we decorate our tree. I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to show you guys every single step as well. So without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you here. As always, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.